Hello viewers, today I'm gonna show you how to change your Facebook password. Okay, let's get started. At first, go to your Play Store and check update your Facebook. My Facebook is already updated. Let's open it. Now click on your profile icon and scroll down. Click on Setting and Privacy. Now click on Setting and now click on your account center. And now scroll down and click on your password and security. Now click on your change password. If you want to change your Facebook password, then click on your Facebook. Now click on your current password here. Now type your new password. Okay. Now click on your change password. By doing this process, you can successfully change your password. Thank you.